Oh crap. Alright fam, welcome back to the channel. We are up here in the North Georgia mountains once again. Beyonce Yanto riding up here. Little sneak peek. Little Honda 600RR rider from the Tonit app coming out here today too, joining us on the ride. So we're gonna go up here, have a little bit of fun. Let's check out his bike real quick. Yeah, full Yoshi, got an ECU tune on it. I think there's the other guys. I don't know where those guys went. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to use the restroom.
Okay, gotcha. Out here with the R19 again. Got a Harley Davidson out here today with us. Yes, sir.
Take this baby off, put it in my tail bag.
You gonna take it off?
Yeah.
Road King. All right. We're almost ready. Got to get some things, topping up on gas, and then we're gonna head out, have some fun. Alright fam, we out here with the crew. Got a new crew. Got that one. Got the KTM, BMW, Harley. Having fun out here today. We're gonna ride up into the mountains here. Yeah, finally get a crew out. It's fun today, fam. Let's go get it. So we're gonna be running out there. I said I got a little crew today, so we're gonna be running out there into my little loop that I normally run up here. So should be pretty fun. We're gonna try to keep it as chill as possible. Honda guy over here on my right, Clown from Tonit. But we got a little bit of rain clouds too, but hopefully that's not going to impact the actual ride that we're on. If we get rain, we're gonna have to just chill if we get rain, so hopefully we don't get rain. Little Jeep, what's the play? Bruh, you can't play with us, homie. Okay. Oh shit. Ah! Oh man. Oh crap. I almost ate that, bro. That cop wrote me a ticket 2 weeks ago. Same cop. Y'all good? Alright, let's go. The roads are way too wet up here. You didn't try to go fast up here. Roads are nice and paved up here now. So it would be fun to run if it wasn't like wet.